So if you want to get information regarding your computer, such as processor speed, RAM, and then the type of graphics card it has, then you can simply go into the Cortana search right here and type in Dxdiag. So once you get that, you get this cross icon right over here. Just press enter and you'll have access to DirectX diagnostic tool option right over here. So here you can see the system information, like the computer name, the operating system that it has. So I'm using Windows 10 Home, as you can see right over here. There's language of the system, the system manufacturer, and so forth. So BIOS, version, and everything else, all the technical details you need are here. So now I know that the processor that is used is i7-7700SQ. So there's CPU at 2.8 gigahertz, and this is an 8-core processor, and the memory is around 16 GB because it's 16,000 something MB right over there, just like that. So DirectX version that is installed on my computer is 12. So if you're more into gaming and or in editing, then these sort of information is actually more useful to you. So if you were to go to the next page, you get the first graphics card, which is actually here. So this is a dual graphics card system that I'm actually using. So there's Intel SD graphics 630 used for regular work. So it's approximately around 8 GB in size, as you can see right here. But if I were to go to next page, you can see that I have my secondary graphics, that is the powerful graphics as NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060, and it's around 14, so around 14 GB plus. So this is used when I'm using 3D heavy applications, or when I'm actually using like editing and so forth. As you can see, you can even get the sound and input details right over here on what input devices are actually plugged in, PS2 devices, and so forth. So all the details are everywhere over here. So once you actually go into save all information, you can go into desktop and save it out. All the information that you find over here in the DirectX diagnostic tool is actually saved over here. So you want to share this to someone else on regarding the details about your computer, then you can actually do this right over here. So to see the specification on which version of Windows you have, or which DirectX version you have, the processor details and the display details, you can simply press Dxdiag just like this, and all the information will pop up. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.